Hey there, procurement managers. Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of vendors you have to manage? Today, I'm going to give you the lowdown on how to rate vendors for maximum efficiency. Let's dive right in. First things first, why even have a vendor rating system? Simple. To objectively evaluate and rate vendors based on performance, quality, and reliability. This helps identify high-performing vendors, spotlight areas needing improvement, and make informed decisions about future partnerships. Now, let's break down the criteria. Quality is king, making up 30% of the rating. We're looking at defect rates, compliance with specs, adherence to industry standards, and customer feedback. Delivery is next at 25%. Timeliness, adherence to schedules, reliability, and lead times are key here. Price accounts for 20%. We evaluate the cost compared to competitors, price stability, and any discounts or incentives offered. Communication at 15% measures the vendor's responsiveness and how well they handle issues. Service at 10% looks at support, training, and reliability. Innovation, sustainability, and security each make up 5%. These cover new ideas, eco-friendliness, and data security measures. So, how do we score them? We use a 5-tier scale from excellent to unsatisfactory. Critical vendors get reviewed quarterly, while non-critical ones get biannual reviews. This ensures everyone stays on track. Now, here's how to calculate those ratings. Assign weights to each criterion. Rate vendors on a scale of 1 to 100%. Multiply each rating by its weight and add the results. Easy, right? Vendors with scores between 90 to 100% are Tier 1, consistently exceeding expectations. Scores between 80 to 89% land vendors in Tier 2, meeting expectations. 70 to 79% is Tier 3, requiring improvements. Below 70% is Tier 4, failing to meet expectations. For Tier 1 and 2 vendors, strengthen relationships and track performance metrics. For Tier 3 and 4, create improvement plans or consider replacements. The benefits? Improved quality, better communication, increased efficiency, and data-driven decision-making. To implement, form a cross-functional team, define evaluation criteria, and train personnel. Conduct a pilot test, refine the system, and then roll it out. Use tools like vendor evaluation forms, weighted average calculators, and action plan templates. Keep refining and sharing feedback to foster continuous improvement. And that's a wrap. This vendor rating system ensures consistent assessment and continuous improvement in your vendor relationships. Implement it and watch your procurement process soar. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep those vendors in check. Now let's talk about some real-world problems and their solutions from the industry. Problem: late deliveries causing production delays. Solution: implement a stricter delivery schedule and use real-time tracking to monitor shipments. Problem: inconsistent product quality. Solution: increase the frequency of quality checks and work closely with vendors to ensure compliance with standards. Problem: rising costs affecting budget. Solution: negotiate long-term contracts with fixed pricing and explore alternative suppliers for better rates. Problem: communication breakdowns leading to misunderstandings. Solution: establish clear communication channels and regular check-ins to ensure everyone is on the same page. Problem: lack of sustainability practices. Solution: partner with vendors who prioritize eco-friendly initiatives and incorporate sustainability criteria into your vendor rating system. Problem: data security concerns. Solution: work with vendors to implement robust data security measures and conduct regular audits to ensure compliance. By addressing these real-world problems with practical solutions, you can enhance your vendor management process and drive your business forward.
Thank you very much for watching full video. Please subscribe, like and share channel PGK Kadam Academy.